Beautiful morning, isn't it, my dear?
It is so peaceful.
And our little friend agrees. This is so cozy.
It is. I love these nights.
Me too, dear.
Let's enjoy it.
Some bread for you, my dear.
Thank you, dear. Oh, look at the cat.
Such a playful one.
Look at this one, dear.
Ah, our first trip to the coast.
You were so handsome.
And you, my love.
There you go, dear. All cozy now.